Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing an ultimate clean with me. We're tackling tons of areas and I'm taking my house from crazy, embarrassing, messy to sparkly clean, as you see here. If you've been in need of some cleaning motivation, then you're gonna find it here, and I hope you enjoy the music. Let's clean together and get your house sparkly clean too. Let's do it. So for this clean with me, I wanted to start out in the living room. We had a few of the kids' toy bins out already for the day, but I just really felt like they were getting kind of mixed up and cluttered. So that's the first thing that I wanted to tackle. Also, I've got Landon here with me doing the voiceover. You saying hi, Lanny?
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Anyways, so I wanted to tackle that first and really get the mega blocks separated from the train tracks and the stuffed animals and all the miscellaneous toys. I like to keep them in their own separate bins, and when we're ready for them, then we'll take them out. So there was a lot of sorting to do today. Now, I've had a lot of you guys asking where we store our kids' toys, especially after I did our house tour on Friday. And we actually have a wooden rack in the garage, and that's where we store all of the bins for the kids' toys. So I'm planning on doing a toy room, like a toy storage tour really soon. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. And I'll show you guys how I lay it out, and I'm going to go through each of the bins and show you guys our favorite toys. So that is coming soon. Now my question for you guys, question of the video, is how do you store your throw blankets? Do you leave them in the living room? Do you store them in your linen closet? I usually like to keep them all downstairs so we can grab them when we're all snuggling on the couch, but nobody rolls them back up except for me, I feel like. So let me know, how do you store your throw blankets? I'm gonna put a poll up on the screen and you guys can vote and let me know and see what other people do. I'm super curious. I noticed in my last clean with me, you guys wanted to know the products that I use for different cleaning jobs, so I'm going to try and call those out through the video. Here, and for most dusting, I make my own all-purpose cleaning spray. It's like 90% water, a dash of vinegar, maybe a quarter cup, 15 drops of lemon essential oil, and I usually put like a squirt of dish soap. So that's my all-purpose cleaner, and then I've got that just in a glass spray bottle. I got that one from Grove. And my microfiber cleaning cloth, that gray one, was from Grove. Then I really like to spray it down with just a couple squirts of this stainless steel cleaner. I know I use it on my table, but it makes it so shiny and smooth. And I just use like a white rag to rub that in. I've had a lot of you guys asking about our vacuum, the brand, how I like it, how it compares to some of the others. I have a Shark. I'm not sure the model. I'll have it linked in the description bar, but I know you can find it on Amazon, and I feel like it's a lot less expensive than some of the other vacuums that are comparable. I really like that it doesn't lose suction, and also it's so easy to clean. Like if a kid vacuums up a toy or something, it's really easy to open it in multiple spots in the vacuum to get it out. The rollers work really well. Also, I know I show it in the video doing different stuff, like it's got a wand attachment. You can actually detach it from the base and kind of lift it away and take it along your baseboards and vacuum without the weight of the base. And I can also like put it on a little roller stand, and then I use that on our hardwood floors. So for me, it works perfect. I would highly recommend it. If you guys can see the chickens running around in the back behind me, then leave a comment down below with a little chicken emoji. I love being able to see them in our videos later on and see what they were up to. Actually, if you haven't already seen our plant tour, they made a pretty cute little cameo in that, and I know a lot of you guys got a kick out of it. Oh, and also the cleaning products that I'm using on our windows and the windowsills. I use this little microfiber cleaning cloth and some of that all-purpose spray, and then to actually clean the windows, I like to spray those down with the Honest Company glass cleaner. I spray that down, and then I actually use a squeegee. So I squeegee the windows so they're nice and streak-free, and then I use my towel just to get the excess from around the sides and the bottom. To mop my floors lately, I've been using this cleaner from Naturally It's Clean. They use enzymes and they make natural cleaning products. I get it on Vitacost, and I just use my little reusable mop head. I get that wet with warm water, and I pour just a little bit of the floor cleaner. Honestly, this stuff lasts so long because it only takes like a small little 2 capfuls for a half gallon. And yeah, when I'm just using it on that mop, I just do a tiny little splash of it, and it goes a long way. I've been using a ton, and you can see that there's only a little bit missing, but it really does get the floors nice and clean. And I think the enzymes, they give you that like muscle without having to do so much scrubbing. Now I've made a big circle and I'm tackling the front entryway. This is another way that I use my vacuum. This is that lift away feature. So I can just use it on the hardwoods, also the stairs, which I really like. If you found this video helpful and motivating, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's on your cleaning list for today. Subscribe if you are new, and if you want some more cleaning motivation, check out the video on the left, or if you want a full tour of our home, I just uploaded that video, so make sure you check that out on the right. Alright guys, I will see you soon.